Hi everyone, this is Eric Brody from YourBoxSolution. Today, I wanted to talk to you about what you will receive in a sample pack. So here's a standard sample pack that we send out to our potential customers. And we will have a link here for you to click on to actually go to the sample request page to fill that out so you can actually receive a sample pack yourself. So let me go through opening a standard sample pack. So what you'll receive is you'll receive a sample pack just like this. So it'll contain a letter from the sales rep, be it Corey or myself. So it'll be a letter just talking about the features and benefits of our company and just a little bit of background about our service and what makes us unique to the industry. First off, what you'll receive are these three self-promo boxes. So each of these will identify the laminate as well as the paperboard used on the sample. So for this one, we use gloss laminate in a 17.2 point, and then there's another one that uses our matte scuff proof that uses the 19.2 point, which is the thicker option. And then here's our soft touch. That is also using a 19.5 point. A little bit thicker because the soft touch laminate is slightly thicker. So you'll receive these three in every sample pack. And then you'll receive an array of other samples. You know, we can't guarantee specific items in a sample pack, but we do our best and to try to give you as many different options as possible. So right off the bat, I look and I see that this is a box that is actually printed on our metallic substrate. So that gold color is actually a yellow ink that was applied to that area but left open. So we print white on top of this paperboard to cover up any metallic, but we leave it exposed and don't print white but print ink to create a color that is metallic. So you also get a sample, possibly a sample like this. So this is printed on a metallic paperboard. We see there's that white ink that I was referring to that we print on there. And then you could do all different types of colors of metallic using that metallic paperboard. So we do our best to include samples to show you that. Another thing that we always try to include are craft paperboard. So here's our brown craft, which is 100% recycled. This sample has white ink printed on it only, which is a really cool branding idea. So we will try our best to send our craft paperboard inside the sample pack. That was a soap box, as you can see, and we'll try our best to include soap packaging in different sizes. This box will show you a cutout, which we can add. So we do our best to try to cover all the industries that we serve. Case in point is this one. This is a skincare brand, and as you can see there, you can see the silver foil stamping. So this was foil stamped with our traditional foil stamping. It actually has a soft touch laminate to it as well. This also uses our traditional foil stamping process. This is gold, so the foil stamp is done on all sides of the box. It has our matte laminate, so this is a different laminate than the previous sample that I held up. Now, continuing on with skincare, here is another box. Standard custom print, full color custom print, really cool graphics. This has our soft touch laminate to it, and it's on our 19 points. It's a little bit thicker. And again, so here's another just a unique product in the industry. Baby teething and cleaning wipes with the fifth panel hanger. So this just shows you a different product, a different option that we can bring to the table. With adding that fifth panel, it makes it so it can be hung in a retail setting. So that is just an overview of what to expect within a sample pack. Feel free to connect with us today, either via phone, which is 877-300-2405, or email us, orders@yourboxsolution.com, or fill out a sample request form and we'll get one of these sample packs out to you. Thanks for watching. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.